In this video, you'll learn how to set up Jira Automation in just a few minutes, so you can save time on repetitive tasks and let Jira handle the busy work for you. First, open your browser and sign into your Jira account. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to automate workflows by clicking the project name in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Next, click on Project Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar, then select Automation from the menu. This is where you'll create, manage, and customize all the automation rules for your Jira project. Now, click Create Rule to start building your automation. Jira offers hundreds of pre-built templates, but you can also start from scratch by selecting a trigger, like when an issue is created or updated. After that, add conditions and actions. Conditions help filter which issues the rule applies to, while actions tell Jira what to do, like assigning an issue, sending an email, or transitioning a status automatically. Once your rule is built, give it a clear name and click Turn On. Your automation will start running immediately, working in the background to handle repetitive tasks and keep your team focused on high-value work. And that's it. Your Jira automation is now active and your team is ready to work smarter, not harder.